From York Bay Financial Partners, looking at the investment markets. Meridian is now finally done and dusted. That closed on Friday. We now just wait to see if there's going to be any scaling back. Certainly interest towards the end of the offer was pretty good, so you might just see a little bit of scaling back, but we should expect to find out those details sometime this week, with the shares expected to list now on the 29th of October. There is another fixed interest offer in the marketplace from Wellington Airport. They got some bonds maturing later in November. This is a 7-year bond, fixed interest rate at 6.25. And if you are interested in that, call us on 0800 867 323. There is it's sort of first come first served. There's no preferential treatment for existing bond holders. So say if you are interested, register your interest, call us pretty quickly, because that is expected to go quite quickly as well. In the end, they took it down almost to the wire in the US, but no great surprises that there was a resolution to the government shutdown, and I think now both parties have realised that they can't really be held hostage by a very small minority in the US. All they've done is really sort of kick the can down the road. They've got funding now until February. The government can continue until January time, so they've still got further discussions to take place. But I think it was a little bit of a sort of an eye-opener there, and a little bit of a call to action there for the major parties, just to really get themselves in order, especially the Republicans, and not really, say, hold the country to ransom. The impact of that shutdown, I mean, certainly on the US economy, it's going to be just a minor blip really on GDP for the quarter. It's expected to take it down by around sort of 0.3–0.4%. But now focus is turning towards those earnings numbers coming out of the US corporates, and they are certainly still pretty strong out there. Say corporate balance sheets in the US are really pretty solid. There's quite a bit of cash floating around. You're seeing quite a bit of share buybacks or debt being issued to buy shares back, and certainly most of the shares now are trading at reasonable sort of levels. And the S&P has had a reasonable run up over the last 12 months. So to recap, New Zealand, so just waiting to see that Meridian, see if there's any scale back. There's that Wellington Airport bond offer in the marketplace. But bear in mind as well, potentially you've got a rate increasing cycle coming here in New Zealand towards the end of this year, early part of next year, and it will be a good time to review that fixed interest portfolio. So call us on 0800 867 323, or go to the website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz for lots of interesting articles. We look forward to speaking to you soon.